This book reveals 13 powerful secrets that have helped millions achieve massive success. What if I told you your thoughts could make you rich? One book has created more millionaires than any other in history. Think and Grow Rich isn't just about money, it's about mastering your mind. Stick around. In the next 15 minutes, you'll learn the exact formula for success used by legends like Henry Ford and Thomas Edison. First one is desire. Everything starts with a burning desire. Not a wish, not a hope, but a definite desire for what you want. Hill says, desire is the starting point of all achievement. Decide exactly how much money or success you want. Be specific. Write it down. Imagine a student wanting to top an exam. It's not enough to just wish. They must commit, plan, and visualize their success. 2. Faith. Faith is belief in yourself, your goal, and the process. When you combine desire with belief, your subconscious starts to work in your favor. Use affirmations to program your mind. Say things like, I am becoming wealthy through honest effort. Repeat it daily and feel it. 3. Autosuggestion. Autosuggestion means feeding your mind with positive thoughts repeatedly. It's the technique of influencing your subconscious. Write your goal statement. Read it aloud every morning and night. This is how your subconscious gets aligned with your dreams. 4. Specialized knowledge. General knowledge won't make you rich. You need specialized knowledge in a particular field. If you are a teacher, become the best in your subject. If you are a YouTuber, learn video editing, storytelling, SEO. Keep learning and updating your skills. 5. Imagination. Great fortunes begin with an idea. Use your imagination to plan and solve problems creatively. There are 2 types. Synthetic, combining old ideas in new ways. Creative, getting new ideas directly from the subconscious. Use both. 6. Organized planning. Desire without a plan is useless. Create a clear plan and take immediate action, even if it's not perfect. Build a mastermind group, a few people who support your goals. Update your plans as you go, but never stop acting. 7. Decision. Indecision is the enemy of success. Successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly. Trust your judgment. Don't let others influence your decisions unnecessarily. 8. Persistence. Most people quit after a few failures. But success often comes just after the last failure. Be persistent. Keep pushing. Failure is not the end, it's feedback. Think of Colonel Sanders, rejected 1,000 times before KFC succeeded. 9. Power of the mastermind. A mastermind group is a group of people who support, inspire, and challenge you. Surround yourself with those who uplift you, not those who drag you down. One idea from the right person can change your entire life. 10. The mystery of sex transmutation. Sex energy is one of the strongest human desires. Hill says we can redirect this energy into creativity, ambition, and drive. Many great leaders had high levels of sexual energy and used it for productivity and passion. 11. Subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind listens 24/7. Whatever you feed it, positive or negative, becomes your reality. Guard your thoughts. Meditate, visualize, and use affirmations to control what enters your subconscious. 12. The brain. Your brain is a powerful broadcasting and receiving station. Through thoughts, you are constantly sending signals. Keep your thoughts focused on success, and you'll attract success. 13. The sixth sense. This is the most mysterious principle. Hill says once you master the other 12 principles, you'll develop an inner guidance, intuition. Some call it gut feeling or divine inspiration. Trust it. It often knows more than logic. Warning. The 6 ghosts of fear. Fear is the biggest obstacle. Hill warns us of 6 fears. Fear of poverty. fear of criticism, fear of ill health, fear of loss of love, fear of old age, fear of death. Conquer these fears, and you become unstoppable. So, here's the secret. Thoughts become things, but only when backed by desire, faith, persistence, and action. Think and Grow Rich is not a magic formula, it's a way of life. Start with a goal, believe in it, act on it daily, and never give up. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone chasing a dream. And tell us in the comments, what is your burning desire?